Actually, the town hall today just coincidentally happens because I'm here, but more than that, it's because we want to welcome the newest member of our, aside from all of you guys, of course, our new director, Matt, who I believe will bring some more level of, kumbaga, consistency, stability, especially with leadership this year. As you know, last year, there were movements, changes that occurred. And you guys were all brave enough to just push through and deliver, I'd say, and correct me if I'm wrong, I think one of the best years in terms of performance as well as experience survey. So, those who are new to the box and wanted to see, and despite and in spite of all the changes last year, I think you guys had three leaders from Faye to Leah to Jag.